All right, here is your second set of notes. Uh-oh, I was trying to move my little thing and it moved the... All right, second set of notes. So you should have just watched the video. Okay, so just watch the video. Now we are going to take the second set of notes. So dividing decimals by decimals. Step 1, to divide a decimal by another decimal, we are going to rewrite the divisor as a whole number. Rewrite. So we need to take our divisor and make it into a whole number. So that brings us to step 2. In order to do this, move the decimal of the divisor. Remember, the divisor is on the outside. Okay, move the decimal of the divisor to the right. So we're moving over the decimal. Whoop, until it is a whole number. Okay, so you have to move the decimal however many places it takes to get it to be a whole number. So if you look at this little example up here, the divisor is 3.45. We have to move it over 2 places in order to make it 345, okay? Then move the decimal in the dividend, the number underneath the bracket, in the dividend, the same number of spaces to the right. Dividend. This writing is awful. All right, so move the decimal in the dividend, the same number of spaces to the right. So if you look at, again, this little example up here, we moved the divisor 2 spots to the right. So now we're going to move the dividend 2 spots to the right. Okay. You may need to add zeros in your dividend. So like if there's not spaces, so what I say, and I'll show you in a second. Oh my gosh, ZERO. Sorry about that. Okay, so for example, if like the 1 and the 5 wasn't here, move the decimal, and then if you have an empty space where your decimal is, you just fill the empty spaces with zeros, okay? And then we are going to rewrite the problem so that we don't get mixed up with our own handwriting, with our decimal being moved. So that it's nice and neat. So we're going to rewrite the problem so that we do not get fused. Okay, so now I'm going to do a couple examples with you. So go to the next screen for the examples.